guys, today we're at Fabulos's Cooking Day Studio trying out the pasta that we made. Let's get into this review. Alright y'all, today we're trying pasta that we made. Okay, this is spinach ricotta ravioli. Let's try it. We just do one bite or what? Oh, you need to chew it first. Like you're not. This was a overall surprisingly excellent dish. It was creamy and full of flavor while still remaining simple ingredient-wise. It was nice to have something fresh and light after just arriving, and it was pretty decent. The pasta, very fresh. Overall, I would say this is pretty good. This is pretty good pasta. Out of 5 big booms, we're gonna give this ricotta pasta boom or doom 3.5 booms. Boom, 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 boom. I give it. Here we have the second course. What is this pasta called? Anyways, it's tomato sauce base. Let's try it. This was a differing flavor from what I'm used to back in Canada. A sweet tomato flavor that mixes with the texture, giving it like a classic homely feel to the dish. This course kind of reminded me of like Chef Bourdain noodles I had when I was really young. It's a little sweet, which is different than what I'm used to for tomato-based sauces. But the more I'm trying it, pretty good. Overall, I didn't enjoy it as much as the other dish, so I'll rank it a solid 2.5 out of 5. A little bit. Take a scoop, take a scoop. Oh, so acidic. So, this is the third and final course, I'm pretty sure. Tiramisu. Let's give it a try. It's definitely less coffee flavor than other ones I've had, but very spongy, has a lot of different textures, lots of layers. I would say for someone who maybe doesn't enjoy coffee as much, or maybe, you know, hasn't tried tiramisu a lot, then this would be a very good dish to start off with. But you know, obviously, authentic Italian. We're in Italy. I think I like this one better than the one before. The bit is really very creamy. Like I said, texture is very good. Well, melt in your mouth. Overall, I would say this is the best dish of the night. Maybe 4.5 booms out of 5. So, you know, boom, 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 and boom. All right. Thank you. Good. The atmosphere is very nice. This is the kitchen. Very aesthetic, some mood lights. Some nice red chairs. Sorry guys. So overall, this is my review. So overall, I'd say not only is the food pretty decent, but also the atmosphere is very cozy, very lively vibe, and the vibe that we've created with everyone, it's a very fun, very enthusiastic, very whimsical, very mystical, magical, and I take. Anyways, yes, the service The service is pretty incredible, pretty fast. They gave us out more. They gave us out extra.
Thank you.
And they even gave us free appetizers. So you know, I would say this is a very good restaurant in general. Like I said, 3 out of 5 booms.